Pappy's back. We're back on the Firebird. We're going to pull off the rear bumper today and start on these lower quarter panels and remove those and try to get the new ones fitted. Just watch me work. All right, I finally got that bumper off. 63 years old versus what, 47, 48 years old. Uh, Rust. I think the rust about won, but in the end, I finally got it off of there. And I didn't break any of the studs or anything or do any further damage. Although these fasteners are in bad shape, they're all going to need to be replaced. But at least I didn't tear up the bumper getting it off. So we move on. We're going to get these quarters now, and we're going to start drilling the spot welds and everything on those. You see all this body damage, huh? It's not what I didn't see that. That's why you always pull that Bondo back. We got some wreck damage in addition to the rust damage. We're not even going to fool with grinding the rest of this off. I'm just going to cut it off. I'm going to get this panel here. We're going to have to come up with something up here. I might have to get a quarter panel. I'm going to look at that right now and see. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll just have to see how the finances go and go from there. But this will take the rust out of the thing anyway. I know there's a bunch of rust down in there. I wish I'd known about that. Bring that Bondo back, it hides all the sins. Trouble is, it'll sneak up on you and crack and fail eventually. Well, life goes on. We'll deal with it. All right, let's find these spot welds and go on. Well, I'm throwing in the towel on this one for this week. I'm going to treat this with a little bit of rust fix, and maybe it'll kill some of the rust, and then we'll get back to it next week.